What's up guys, John here again. So today's video, I think I finally have it figured out, but I don't want to jump ahead with conclusions, but I think I finally have the LED bulbs for the license plates figured out. And I know you guys are probably saying you can buy them from here, buy them from there, but what I was really trying to accomplish is somewhere where we could buy them off of Amazon. It's not that I sponsor Amazon or anything like that, but I just think that they have a good return policy. If you buy them off eBay, if they don't work or anything like that, you're kind of stuck. Or if you buy them from a third party, they usually charge you shipping and tax and everything, whereas anybody can pretty much get them from Amazon. If you have Prime like I do, basically it comes free shipping in 2 days. Most of the time there's no tax on it. So I picked these ones up. These ones were about 12 bucks for the two, and these ones claim they're actually CAN bus compatible. So these are them there, and then if you look on the back, it actually says CAN bus ready. So these ones, they had hundreds of reviews on Amazon that said that they were compatible with CAN bus systems. So let's go ahead, fire them in. You guys already know the deal, the drill, how to put them in there. So let's go ahead, throw them in and see if they hopefully work. All right, so if you guys haven't already seen this already, super simple. Come to the back of the vehicle, reach up in here, turn these counterclockwise. They drop down, and you just wiggle your bulb out like so. Get whatever bulbs that you're putting in there out like this. Plug them in, and these ones actually say, if you guys can see, it says CAN bus right on there, so hopefully they will work. And they have all these extra kind of, I don't know if they're resistors or whatnot, but a bunch of extra kind of chips on there to, I think, try to put a load on the circuit. So I don't think these ones have any direction. It says no polarity, so we can just shove these guys in here. There's one. Same thing with this side. Okay, so those are in. And before you actually put them up, what I like to do is double check that they work. So usually I grab my key. If you hit the unlock button, they should illuminate, and they're bright as heck. So we can go ahead, put these up and in, turn them back clockwise. Okay, and these things are bright as you would ever want them. So let's go ahead and jump back in the truck, start it, and hopefully we don't have any errors. If we do have an error, I'm guessing it might be just because I unplugged them for a second or I had the bulb out, but I don't anticipate that we should have any issues. So let's see. And yeah, I still have this service tire pressure system up here because I never put TPMS sensors in these wheels. But I haven't transferred them over. So, yep, there's no messages that say anything about having any bulbs burnt out. Let's try turning on our running lights and whatnot here. All it says is service tire pressure system. So I think we should be good, guys. Here is how bright those LEDs are on the license plate. Okay, so I'm really happy that those finally worked out, guys. I know I've been going kind of crazy trying to find a bunch of different bulbs that would fit or work. I mean, I know there's a lot of ones that fit, but these are the original ones in another video that I did. These ones said they were CAN bus compatible, but if you look on the actual front of them, they don't really have any resistors or anything of that nature, which these ones do. So again, some of the, I guess, attributes that these ones say, they said they're no polarity, CAN bus ready, much brighter than halogen, of course. So these ones seem to work, and like I said, they had hundreds of positive reviews on Amazon. So I'll keep you guys posted if you guys want to hang on for a few weeks, but as far as I can tell, they work. People on Amazon said they work, and I don't have any indications on the dash that say they don't work. So that's the type of thing I like to do. I mean, I obviously could have installed something like this that I had in there before and kind of hardwire in a resistor, but that was something I didn't want to do. I didn't want to hack up the wiring. I wanted something that was plug and play, affordable. Like I said, I think these are 12 bucks. If you guys are interested, I'll put a link in the description of where I got them or which ones they are. It says LAS Fit is, I guess, the name that these are called. And like I said, I just got them off Amazon. You know, no tricks, no games. I just was trying to find something that would work for us on these trucks and wouldn't cost a bunch of money. So I'm getting a phone call here, but yeah, I was trying to find something that would fit for us and work without costing much money, and I think these ones are finally finally the ticket in that regard. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like I said, I'll keep you posted if for some reason they don't work or give me any issues. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we're going to be doing lots of videos, and we're going to keep doing videos. I try to get one out every other day for you guys. So lots of content coming. And for any of the Viper guys, I know there's a lot of Ram guys, but I should be having some Viper content and a little bit more fun stuff, and kind of touring around and doing some other stuff with friends. So that stuff's on the way. And keep posted, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.